and it is quite rainy outside. You and I were just talking about how we might sleep well tonight, even though it kind of put a damper on some plans.
That's true. We might hear a few isolated rumbles of thunder throughout the night, but mostly just going to be this heavy rainfall that we have going across North Mississippi right now. So you can see here in West Point, MDOT camera's got quite a bit of rain on it, and so does the roadway as well. So you can see people driving by going to be having that rain splashing up behind them, so you'll want to be careful tonight. Visibility is very poor out there in some parts of the viewing area because not only do we have that heavy rainfall, as you can see here in Verona, we've got foggy conditions on top of that. So overall, you just want to be careful as you are traveling. I mentioned that we have patchy fog that's across much of our viewing area, and it seems to be worse right now near the Golden Triangle region, also parts of Monroe County. But throughout Northeast Mississippi, if you can stay indoors at this time, I'd rather you do that, because as you see, heavy rainfall as well as moving across our area. Heaviest seems to be near the Kosciuszko area in Atala County and places south of that. But these showers very widespread across much of Mississippi and even on into Tennessee and parts of Kentucky. It's not going anywhere. As I mentioned, Sammy and I were mentioning just a moment ago, it's going to be coming across our area overnight, but we're not going to have severe weather expected overnight. That could change though heading into tomorrow. So this is for Sunday. We got a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather for the southern portion of our viewing area. But then in central Mississippi, that's even level 2 out of 5. Main impact associated with that, strong gusty winds and thunderstorms. That's mainly going to be in our afternoons. You can see here on that hour by hour forecast. I'm going to show you that here on Storm Tracker as well. So this is 10 p.m. tonight is what we're seeing. Widespread showers and thunderstorms. Then another line moves through overnight, getting a little bit of a lull in the morning time. But then for tomorrow afternoon, that's when we start to see our next round coming through. 3 p.m. This is that risk for severe weather where we're seeing those stronger thunderstorms moving into the area. Could have some possible wind damage along with that in the southern portion of our viewing area. After that, moves on out of the way, finally seeing some calmer conditions for our Monday. But by the time it's all said and done, we could get up to 3 inches in some parts of our viewing area, around 2.5, maybe Calhoun City. And then after that, not only are the rain chances falling off, also going to see temperatures dropping quite a bit as well. So we look at that 7-day forecast. We're seeing, of course, showers and thunderstorms for that Sunday. The first part of your Monday, then we're going to be calm. Then temperatures are going to, or conditions are drying off rather. Those temperatures dropping just a little bit, finally back down in those 50s where we usually are for mid-February.